Okay. I'm going to we're going to kind of walk through the, uh, is that right? September 8th, 2016? Yeah. Okay, good. So I fixed all that. This looks good. And just to kind of help you get through to do the assignments, I might use like 2 or 3 videos here because I don't want to have a like 30-minute thing going in, but it shouldn't be that long. All right. So let's just begin. Let's begin any day. There we go. All right, so if you eat a Snicker bar that has 271, notice big calories, how many kilojoules? Remember, we're talking about kilojoules. And let's let 1 calorie equal 4,180 joules, and 1 kilojoule equals 1,000 joules. So, so it's okay if you put all the numbers down in here. So if you're going to convert 270 kilograms or 271 calories, so let's just look at, all right, homework notes, homework 2 notes. So 1 calorie, I should have said 4,100 equals 4,180 joules. It's actually 4,186, but you know, what's 6 joules among friends? Anyway, so I should have made this actually 4,190 to make it a little better. And so 270, oh, we've already done that one. Let's move on. But remember, if it's a kilojoule, how many kilojoules? You take your answer to get kilojoules. Take your answer from this conversion up here and divide by 1,000 because there are 1,000 joules per kilojoule, so that brings that kilojoule up here. All right. If you burn 33 kilojoules per minute playing pickup soccer, okay, how long are you going to need to play soccer to burn off that Snickers bar? In other words, take your answer. So you burn 33, how many minutes? Okay, the answer is in minutes. So how long are you going to need to play soccer to burn off that Snickers? I've rounded my answer to 2 sig-figs. But again, I've given lenient parameters like plus or minus 5% here. So this is the trickiest part of the entire lesson, these first like 3 or 4 questions. All right. So you burn 33 kilojoules a minute. So you got your answer from, so for problem 2, now this is the way I do a lot of homework problems. I build. All right, so to get so blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry, I just kind of ran in and sat down and started. I haven't really gotten my act together here. Anyway, so we go what? So our answer from 1. Now, what I want to show you, our answer from whatever it is. Here's an example. Here's an example. All right, let's say your answer from 1 was 400 kilojoules. I have no idea. This is just an example. This isn't the answer from. All right, now, if you burn 33 kilojoules per minute, okay, how many minutes? I want to show you the algebra of this. How many minutes does it take to burn off 400 kilojoules? All right. So, well, my answer needs to be minutes. So if I take 400 kilojoules per minute per 33 kilojoules per minute, if I divide that, now here's oh, darn, sorry. So answer one, I just wrote a bunch of stuff and I left you cut you out. Here you go. So answer one example. So I got 400 kilojoules. This is just an example. And if I'm burning 33 kilojoules a minute, how many minutes does it take me to burn off 400 kilojoules? In minutes. Okay, in minutes. All right, so here's what we do. You take 400 kilojoules divided by this. Now, why does it work out to be minutes? Because this is per minute here. All right, so, well, look, you get 400 kilojoules over 1, which is what that is, divided by 33 kilojoules per minute Now, do you remember how to divide fractions? You flip and multiply. So you've got 400 kilojoules. That's why I said, see how that seconds goes up over 1 times minutes over 33 kilojoules. Aha! My kilojoules cancel, and I'm left with minutes. So I still have the 400 divided by 33 minutes. Okay, that's the way. That's the way a lot of these conversion or calculations that we do work. It's this principle right here. Okay, all right. I'm going to stop here. 40 questions to go. No, there's